Mark Carlson. I'm the founder and director of the Merlin Trinity Healing System, which has actually been with me now for over 20 years. But during that time, I've now fine-tuned it to a place that I believe creates real positive and transformations for people. You see, when you infuse your system with love, you'll eventually start taking actions that are more loving for yourself, and therefore the results you get will be more lovely for you. So what's great about this healing system is that it's really easy to learn, it's even easier to use. It's a hands-on energy healing system, and I've coupled it with the most up-to-date technological advances in terms of how to infuse your energy processing system in a way that will create quick and permanent transformations. And the combination of this and the MTHS are really extremely powerful. There's 5 levels, but there's not one day where you'll not know what to do. Each day is completely mapped out for you, and it's unbelievably easy. You're laying on your back relaxing, and you're infusing your system with a loving and positive vibration. What could be easier than that? See, what you've got to remember when you're embarking upon any desired transformation is that it does take time. Of course it does. You've been doing it the other way for so long, right? So you've got to give it some time so that the reprogramming can happen, but it will happen. And if you use this system, you'll find it very easy to do. And here's the other thing. Look, if you infuse your system with love, intelligence, and a positive vibration every day, which is what you'll be doing if you get on board with MTHS, your system will literally become more loving at the feeling level, which is where we create reality for ourselves, right? So life just has no other option than to get better. If there's more love in your system, everything's going to get better. Your relationships will get better. You'll become more confident, more loving with yourself. You'll be happier, and of course you'll be more abundant. See, you can't be experiencing everything lovely if you don't have enough money, right? But the thing is, you don't have to think about that, because as you put the healing light into your body, all the areas of your life will naturally and organically get better as the days and months go by. Your vibration will be higher, you'll be more positive, and more opportunities will naturally come to you because of that. If you experience more love in your system, then you'll naturally move toward doing what's lovely for you, right? How could you not? In other words, you'll find what you love to do because the love inside of you will draw you to it, which over time will help you discover your purpose. And it is an organic process because there's lots of healing that's going to happen on the way, and some of the stuff you'll discover about yourself might not be easy to see. The Buddhists say, if you want to fill a vase with clean water, you've got to pour the dirty water out first. And what that means in terms of your own healing is that sometimes stuff will come up that you'll have to deal with, but we've got a great support system in place. And so there's nothing you need to worry about. That you'll be guided every step of the way. Also, of course, when the stuff does come up, you'll know that you're very close to a transformation, so you can get excited rather than getting down, which of course speeds up the transformation. So all you've got to do to get going is to get yourself enrolled in a level 1 class somewhere. Now each person's different and the results are all individually different, of course, but life will definitely get better for you. It has no other option if you fill yourself with a loving vibration each day. It really hasn't. So if you have a chance to get in front of someone who's teaching MTHS, then get on board. And remember, it doesn't matter whether I'm the teacher or not, because the energy that comes through is exactly the same, whether it's me teaching or one of the other teachers. So in a nutshell, this is a healing system that will bring you back to love. And it will over time heal all the stuff in there that's causing life to be imbalanced for you. You deserve love in every area of your life. Why not? Of course you do. And I'm confident that if you get on board with this healing system, you will create that for yourself. I really believe you're in for a treat if you get on board with MTHS. So have a beautiful day when you see this. I hope I get to see you soon. Thank you.